Valley Furniture will be offering a special discount on new in-store items for this spring season. This 15% off sale applies to sofas, sectionals, recliners, and occasional chairs. It also includes dining sets, bar stools, bedroom sets, chests, and mattresses, plus 24 months of no interest. Valley Furniture offers not only a wide selection of pieces, but also a variety of brands, such as Signature Design, Flexsteel Gallery, England Furniture, Best Home Furnishing, Winnersonly, Serta, and more. While getting 15% off on your purchase, you can also receive additional 24 months with no interest on approval for credit. We also offer same-day delivery or pickup for in-store items. Valley Furniture is located at 380 Rohnert Park Expressway, and feel free to browse our website at valleyfurniture.net to look for items you may be interested in. Valley Furniture has provided outstanding service and value for many years, and we look forward to helping you prepare for the spring season.